Good morning, friends. This is Tuesday morning. Catherine and I are going to take this sweet little girl to her new home. She's going to go to a friend's house who knows how to hand feed. He's going to wean her and just be a lovely, lovely home for her. Hopefully we'll be bringing home a few new birds, and so we'll be showing you those. I just wanted to give you one last update on this sweet little girl. Now, this is the baby that Catherine has been calling Pearl. I don't know if that name is going to stick or not. If I get, I'm sure I will get updates, and when I do, I'll give you an update also. But here's this little guy. Now, what color do you think it is? I know what color it's going to be because I can tell. But I'm not going to give it away just yet. You're going to have to watch all the way to the end of the video. Now, I'm having to hold Pogo still because he is so active right now. He is just wonderful. He's an acrobatic flyer. Yeah, come on. And there's little Peepers. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she's stumbling. Yeah. Look how beautiful. Recording for real now?
Yeah.
Hey friends, we have just left our friend Daniel's, and we met up with him, and he has little Pearl now, the little white ringneck, and we made a trade, and we have little Bluey. Now leave us a comment down below what you think little Bluey is, and we'll do an unboxing video once we get home. It'll be part of this video. But we'll show you what's in the box, little Bluey. Okay guys, so we just got home, and we have our precious little surprise here in the box. Now, it's not a surprise to us, but it is to you. Okay? Only 3 people in the whole world knows what's inside this box right now. Me, and Catherine, and our friend Daniel. So let's look inside here and see. Hey there! Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me.
Yeah, please don't.
Are you venomous or poisonous? Catherine, where's my snake hook? Okay, guys, I'm going in barehanded. Ow! Ow! Ooh! Ooh! Okay. Surprise, there was nothing in the box.
No.
Which hand is it in? Look.
This hand.
Guys, look. Look. It's a baby parrotlet. These are the smallest species of parrots in captivity. Now, there's only one species of parrot that's smaller, and it's called a pygmy parrot, but they don't live in captivity. Now, Daniel bred this little girl. This is a little girl. She is a blue mutation. Normally, they are green. We have a little boy already, and his name is Louie. And so this one's the little girl, her name is going to be Bluey Louise. And we just love her. She is so sweet. Catherine sang to her all the way home.
Daddy,
yeah,
for
baby.
short, do we just call her Bluey?
We'll just call her Bluey. That's right. So Louie and Bluey, the parrotlets. Our incubator just turned, and it's squeaking in the background. Look how sweet.
She's falling asleep.
Let's see if she's hungry. She probably doesn't know how to eat with this kind of syringe. There she goes. Yes, she does. Look at that. Look how sweet. Here, little baby. Look at that. Oh, I am in love with little Bluey.
Bluey. Hey, are we gonna name it if they get married and have babies, are we gonna
name the babies Huey and Dewey?
Well, if there's only one baby.
Oh, they'll have hundreds of babies.
Kiwi? If they only have one baby, they are going to call it Kiwi?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Now, y'all know that we don't have baby Pearl the ringneck anymore. She now lives with Daniel. I said little Daniel. He's taller than I am.
Yeah.
There aren't many people in this world taller than me, but I have to look up to Daniel. Well, my son Daniel's almost as tall as me. He's a little bit taller, I think.
He is taller than my mom.
Well, look at that. I'm going to finish feeding this little girl, and we're going to put her away and feed the other babies. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
What are you guys doing? Hi, baby. Are you hungry? Are you hungry too?
Good morning, friends. Let me pause Art and breathe. There we go. Nope, didn't do it. There. I can see colors. Talk about colors. Look at this baby right here. Look at her. This is Peepers. This is the little Suncheek mutation. Greencheek Conures. Look how pretty she is. Look at the beautiful Pogo. Look at him. He is in a cage now. He is flying away.
Yeah.
Now, I don't want to clip his wings, at least not just yet. I want him to learn to fly and be proficient at that. And he is learning and doing a very good job. But he does like to snuggle. He likes to be held. He is a very, very nice bird. And we love him very much. So here is little Bluey. And she has made a little bit of a mess on her. So maybe I made a mess on her. But she is so sweet. We love this little girl already. Here, hop down. Look at that. Hey, y'all don't look at him. Look at her. So tiny. Look how little she is. Do you hear that? That is adorable. Now, we learned yesterday that she can fly also. You're here too. I'll pet you. Good Friday morning to you. We got to get these babies fed. Let go of the finger Pogo. Little Peepers is climbing up.
Where is he?
Her.
From your belly?
Here's little Bluey, the parrotlet. Isn't she sweet? Look how tiny. I just love her. And she's going to live here with us forever and always. Anytime I post a picture or a video of a little bird, I get 100 questions on Facebook. Is it available? How much is it? Can I buy it? Is it for sale? And I always tell everybody that I have a waiting list for the birds that I do sell. And if I have something available, I will post it publicly on Facebook. Now I'm just touching underneath here. She is so little, she doesn't eat much at a time. I'm checking her. Now look at this guy. Can you tell? Shine the camera right here. See? He is blue. Just as pretty blue as could possibly be.
To me, he looks kind of turquoise.
Kind of turquoise. You know, he might possibly be turquoise, but that's okay.
At least we know he can't fly yet.
Yeah. Now he's all full and we are all done.